Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a Tonkeeper battery recharge problem. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now what you need to do is go ahead and log into your Tonkeeper and open it up. Open your wallet, and after that you will see at the top the gear icon, and here you will need to go ahead and find the battery settings. So if you're already using and there are some problems when you try to do a transaction with insufficient funds, then you're going to click on battery. Now, if you have a battery already purchased, like a large charges, for example, you will see at the top battery settings. So you will see battery settings right there at the top, and you want to click on it. After that, you will see these options: swaps via Tonkeeper, NFT transfers, and token transfers. So you want to toggle off the swaps via Tonkeeper. You will see you can go ahead and toggle off. It will look like this, and you will toggle it off. And that's pretty much it. That should fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.